Wall Street Maverick on X, New York City Mayor Socialist Zoran Mamdani has proposed lowering the exemption on the death tax, also known as the estate tax, from $7.1 million down to only $750,000. He would also increase the death tax from 16% to 50%. No other jurisdiction in the USA confiscates wealth at death from people with that small of an estate. Anyone with any equity in a home in New York City would likely exceed that $750,000 and have to pay the death tax. There is a federal estate death tax for estate wealth that exceeds 15 million individuals. However, you can deduct other state and city estate taxes before paying the federal estate tax. So effectively, Mamdani is preventing the federal government from taxing estates. New York City and New York State are taking it all first.
So on top of trying to impose a property tax on the middle class in New York, he's trying to impose a tax on people's estate and lowering it from, I think it was $7 million to now $750,000, which is going to send even more New Yorkers out of the city, which I find it hilarious that he then comes out and starts saying this.
Amidst being in the wealthiest city in the wealthiest country in the history of the world, we already see an exodus of working and middle-class New Yorkers. So I don't have a hesitation in asking those who make the most amount of money in the city or the most profits in the city to pay a little bit more so that everyone can actually stay in this city. It is also actually about ensuring that corporations can continue to attract the top talent to this city. Because in a city where childcare costs more than $20,000 a year, I've heard from corporate leaders about how difficult it is for them to attract individuals who would work at their companies but want to raise a family, because you could be making $300,000 a year and you will feel that $20,000 a year because of the fact that we have allowed for the absence of affordable childcare to become reality here in this city.